Well, I don't really know what caused my injury. I just know that my shoulder was hurting so badly where I wasn't able to do my job of playing music, and so I started canceling shows. And once I started canceling shows, I realized that I needed to go see someone about it, and have something done potentially. Well, I went into my primary care physician. I hadn't heard of Doc before, and they sent me to Doc, and I was amazed at how quickly I was able to get in. In fact, my first appointment with Doc was on a Sunday, and I kept asking, "Are you sure on a Sunday that I can go in?" And everybody that I told said, "There's no way that the surgeon will be available on Sunday." But sure enough, I went in and met with the surgeon on a Sunday. And Dr. Pember didn't really use a lot of flowery language that would confuse me. He didn't tell me what I should do. He told me what my options were. It's really been stunning to me how quickly my shoulder returned to sort of a usable state. I'm a month out, and I'm not doing everything, but I'm certainly doing most of the things that I need to do during my day. I'm still not able to gig yet because of the duration, but I was able to go back to my day job during the week, which was super helpful. And I can't even imagine what this would have been like if I had to miss a month or 2 months of work. I don't even know how I would have made it. Now, with this shoulder surgery, everything is going great, and I feel like in a month or two, I'll be playing shows again, just like I was before any of this happened, without even really remembering that I had a shoulder problem. Surgery is not something that's pleasant. It's not something that anybody wants to do, but the surgery that I've had with Doc has been about as pleasant as it could be. And hopefully I'll never need anything else again, but if I did, I would definitely feel comfortable going back to Dr. Pember. It's been a great experience.